Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be showing you guys how I spend my money. Just kidding, kind of. But today I'm going to be doing a haul. I went to Target, TJ Maxx, and Marshalls, I think, and DSW, and I think that's it, I think. But I bought a bunch of stuff. I am redoing my bathroom, so I'm gonna be posting a like DIY bathroom makeover video, but in this video I'm showing you guys what I bought to redo my bathroom. So yeah, and some other fun stuff. So if you guys want to see what I bought, then just keep on watching. I know it's super strange that people like these videos, but I love these videos personally, so it's kind of fun because it makes you feel like you went shopping too, even though you didn't. But yeah, before you keep on watching, subscribe to my channel, put on the post notification bell thing so that when I post a video, your phone lets you know so that you can watch my videos, and then we all have a fun time. So yeah, let's get right into it. So the first thing I bought for my bathroom was this shower curtain liner because nobody likes to take a shower with a disgusting shower curtain liner. At least I don't. So I bought this one from Target for like $2, and yeah, I'm excited to change it. That's the first thing. The second thing I got was, I don't even know, there's so much stuff. This, I'll show you this because this is always fun. I got a toilet bowl brush thing. Yeah, this was actually on clearance, red ticket, $6. So I was on Amazon and the one that I wanted was like $15.99, and then I saw this on clearance for $6, and I was like, perfect. So this is from the brand called Bath Bliss, and it's a toilet brush bowl where you clean your toilet. In case you've never used one of these before, you get some bleach, you pour it in your toilet, and you scrub it down so that you don't have any scum in your toilet, because nobody likes scum in their toilet. Next, I bought this little guy, and this is a toothbrush holder. I think that this is so cute. I love the wooden detail on the bottom and like the white ceramic glass. I originally wanted a mason jar one, but this one was $6.99. and the mason jar one was $15.99. So this one got the chicken dinner. It was the winner. So yeah, I got this one, and the reason I like that it's like 2 halves is I can put my toothpaste and my brush and call it a day. So I'm excited to use this. Love it. And next I got this. It's a eucalyptus and mint nourishing hand soap from TJ Maxx. Oh, by the way, this was from TJ Maxx too. But I got this. It is from the brand called Botanical, I guess. But it's infused with eucalyptus oil. It is paraben-free, gluten-free, and vegan. So this is the bottle here. This was $5.99, and it brings 24 ounces. And the reason I like this was because I didn't buy like the soap dispenser, because I figured you can just change these out, because I have a bunch of Bath and Body Works one. So instead of like pouring it into the other dispenser, you just switch them out, throw it in the trash. And I like this one because it has the wooden detail and the white like this. They're like twins. So I like that because they matched. I'm weird, I don't know. Anyways, I bought this from Target. Who doesn't love some Febreze? It smells so good. It smells like Christmas. Next, I got this candle, and this is from the brand called Sensational. This is their fireside candle. It smells so good. I can't get over how this smells. So this it's a natural soy candle, hand poured in the USA, and it has a luxurious artisan fragrance and natural soy wax. Rich notes of smoked cedar, tonka, and myrrh combine like the warm embrace of a crackling fire. All jokes aside, I'm in a weird mood today. If you didn't know, I had a venting sessions with my friends, and it just put me in a weird mood. So I'm like, you know, like a little edgy, like crazy. Anyways, moving along. The candle was from, sorry, I'm horrible at this, TJ Maxx, and it was also a red ticket priced item for $4.50, and it's 12 ounces. It's a pretty good size candle. Next, I got this little frame, and it was super cute. So this was $4.99, and it says, "A blessing. May your walls know joy. May each room hold laughter, and may every window open to great possibilities." It's a great sign for the bathroom. Can't wait to put it there. So yeah, these are all bathroom decor stuff, by the way. Next, I got this, which I thought this was actually really cool. This is a shower cap with a drainer on the bottom. So it's cool because it kind of has these little like squeegee things to put on the wall. And they have cactuses. How freaking cute is this? I have never seen anything like this. Basically, it's like a little, very thin, compact shower cap. So yeah, super cool. I love this. And I actually never have a shower cap, so I'm excited. This was $3 from TJ Maxx. TJ Maxx was lit, as you can tell. Next, I got this. This was from Marshall's. This was $4.99, and this is the cutest little headband. Look at this. The thing I got was this, and it is a 2-pack of brow trim and shape razor things. So this was actually $5.99, but it brings 6 razors. So yeah, I love these. This is how I do my eyebrows, by the way. I don't let anyone touch my eyebrows. And this from TJ Maxx. So I got that. Put it over here. And next I got this, which I thought this was the cutest thing. These clips obviously are like so trendy right now, but I saw this from the brand Nicole Miller at TJ Maxx for $5.99, and I'm just so excited to be that girl that like clips these on my hair. I can't wait. But yeah, I love this. I thought it was super cute, and they had so many like different styles, so I would definitely get more if I see them again because they're just so cute. Next, I got this, and I love this. This is Beauty Sleep is the brand, and it is a set of satin pillowcases and the little sleeper things that go on your eye. I got them in the color black, even though my bed sheets are white. I just wanted to give it like a pop of color. But yeah, they're just like silky satin pillowcases, which, you know, is better for your hair and your face. So that's why I got that. Oh, and this was only $7.99 from TJ Maxx, which I thought was so cool. Like, this is even a cute Christmas present, I feel like. I don't know. I would totally go back and get these as like little gifts. I got these from the brand Merida Sing or Sai. These were also red ticket item. TJ Maxx had all the sales. Like, I'm telling you, this TJ Maxx was lit. But these were $7, originally marked at $18. But yeah, they're just these cute little fun orange earrings. I just thought they would look so cute. Next, I got this, which is the Pearl Essence Lavender Dry Shampoo. This was from TJ Maxx for $5, so I don't waste my expensive dry shampoo for work, you know what I mean? So next, I bought this little thing, and this is a cactus plant, well, faux plant, and this is from the brand called Leaf Branch. This was $6 at TJ Maxx, but I just love the detailing on the vase, and yeah, it kind of has like fake stones, and this is just bathroom decor. Super excited to have fake plants in my bathroom. And next I got this from the brand called New Zealand. So this is lavender and Epsom salt for my bathroom, but I'm actually using it as decor. So watch my next video on my bathroom makeover so you know what I'm talking about. But yeah, I just thought this packaging was super cute, and I'm excited to put this in my bathroom wall and look at it. So cute. And this was $5.99, by the way. Next thing I got was this, and this is the only clothing item I got. This is a dress from the brand Mac Studio. I just love like the detailing of the florals and like the ruffles. It's just so cute. Perfect for like Thanksgiving. I'm thinking I'll probably wear this on Thanksgiving. And yeah, this was $29. And next thing I got was this shower curtain liner thing, also red ticket item. But this is from Marshall's. This was $5. And yeah, it's just a white curtain because I want to change the one that I have right now. So yeah, got that. And next I bought these boots. So these are from DSW. They are from the brand called Bleecker and Bond. So yeah, just cute little boots. These were on like $40, but I got them on sale, I think for like 20. So yeah, cute. And then next I got these little baby Converse for my niece. It's gonna be her birthday, so I bought her those. I got this basket from Marshall's. It was on clearance for $6. So I'm gonna take this and put it above my toilet so I can put my Febreze in there and stuff. So yeah, again, watch my next video if you want to know what I do with this basket. But yeah, it was just super cute. I love the black detailing on the handles and like the little curve. I just thought it was super cute, and it was on clearance, so why not? It's a shower rod, guys, from Ross for $5.99. My shower rod is disgusting, like you're gonna see in my next video, and I needed a new one, so I got a new one, and it's black because it goes with my decor. So yeah, I will put this in my bathroom. I got this. It's like a rack of shelves. Another red ticket item. So this is from Marshall's. This was $20, and I'm gonna hang this above my toilet. So yeah, I thought this was so cute, and it goes with the black shower curtain rod and the black handles of the little basket and all that stuff, you know. I got this towel. I mean, not towel, carpet. So this is a carpet for my bathroom. This was $9.99 at Bell's Outlet. Yeah, so it's just a big white carpet. I'm excited. I have this from Sephora. So this is a Tarte Holiday Trio set. So it has 3 sets of blush, bronzer, and highlight. This was $35, but Sephora had their sale the other day, and I got this for 28 bucks. So yeah, I thought it was a pretty good deal. So it's typically like just one blush can cost $30, and I got 3 of these for the price of one. They're just beautiful colors, and I'm just so excited. And they just kind of like swirl, and it has like a little baby mirror, and it magnets. Just so cute and compact, and I feel like you can just throw it in your bag. And my last thing is this. So this is actually from Amazon. So these are from the brand Muso. So these are actually envelopes for your money. So I have been trying to be better at budgeting, and like nothing works for me. Like clearly I am the worst when it comes to budgeting. So yeah, this is just really cool because it comes with like budgeting sheets, and then you take these envelopes and you put money in them, and then they go for bills. Yeah, that's how I feel. Just they go for bills. So you'll do like car insurance, groceries, savings, and like label them. So it brings like little labels that you'll write on them, like these. And then inside you'll put one of these sheets where it says category, beginning balance, date, description, balance, final balance, and you kind of budget that way. So yeah, I need to get my life together. So I'm going to do that with these little envelopes. And this hasn't been like one day I went shopping. This has just been accumulating over the weeks, and I was like, eventually I'll do a video. So here I am, ready to do the video. So yeah, that is it for my haul. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know down in the comments below if you liked anything, or if you've seen any of this stuff like at your nearest TJ Maxx or Marshalls. Like I am a diehard TJ Maxx and Marshalls fans. Like I live there, literally. I just love, even just to walk around, like I won't even buy anything. I just love it. So yeah guys, that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video.